Welcome. This video will guide you through the instructions for using the Feline Leukemia Virus antigen and Feline Immunodeficiency Virus Antibody Rapid Kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. To start the test, place the FeLV antigen and FIV antibody rapid device on a flat surface. Using the capillary tube, collect the feline serum, plasma, or whole blood up to the blue line. Dispense this sample into the first sample hole. Then, collect another 10 microliters and dispense it into the second sample hole. Add 2 drops of the dilution buffer into each sample hole. Then read the result at 10 minutes after dropping. Now, let's see how to interpret the results. If you see both the control line and the test line on the FeLV side, it indicates an FeLV antigen positive result. Similarly, if both lines appear on the FIV side, the sample is FIV antibody positive. In cases where both control and test lines appear on both sides of the device, it means the sample is positive for both FeLV antigen and FIV antibody. A negative result is shown when only the control lines appear and no test lines are visible on either side. Finally, if the control line does not appear at all, or if only the test line is visible without a control line, the test is considered invalid. In this case, you must perform a retest using a new device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us by email.